Dudes! We made it to scenic Australia.
Join us as we explore the city of Melbourne and Phillip Island. After our long Trans-Pacific flight, we made it to Melbourne.
I met up with our friend Lisha. You'll probably see her later.
So we're at a bakery. I don't know if they call it a bakery or not. They sell pastries. Apparently they have the best croissants in the world, and it is called Loon. It's our first stop. Lisha just dropped us off at the corner. She went to find a place to park.
So we could stand in the queue.
Yeah. And we'll keep you posted on how good these croissants end up being.
See you soon.
So now it's probably good as time as any to introduce our friend Lisha.
While she's stuffing food in her mouth. Yeah.
As you should.
Took 2 people travelling from America to get me to Luton.
How is it?
It's absolutely scrumptious and remarkable.
Yes. Kendra?
How's that?
And the aroma of fresh baking just fills the air.
Probably the best croissant I've ever had. All 3 of the varieties we got. Highly recommend.
Look at that thing.
What's your favorite?
My favorite was this one. Almond.
Finishing off our croissants and coffee, we headed to our next stop, which isn't for the faint of heart.
Welcome to the Skydeck.
Yeah, we've come to the Melbourne Skydeck, which is the 88th floor of this building. You get to see the skyline. City.
Really cool views.
It's not too expensive. It's like 28 Australian dollars per ticket. And it's really flexible too. You can just buy it for a date and you can just come at any hour. They also have
A few additional things up here, like the Edge experience, which is a glass cube that goes out from the building, and then once you're out all the way, it becomes clear. So you have glass surrounding you.
yeah, so you're standing on glass. You can break it anytime. Fun.
So we didn't do it.
Yeah, we're well, I'm a pansy. Kendra's not.
But if that's
You've seen
something
me
you're
with
interested in, it is an additional cost of,
I don't remember what the cost was.
I don't know,
But not
put it
much.
below.
We'll put it down here. So, but yeah, it's a pretty cool place. I'm glad we decided to come.
yeah, of course. Where are we off to now?
You'll see.
Hold on.
So Melbourne has quite the art district.
Of street art,
Yeah.
which I'm a fan of.
Yeah, Kendra loves street art. I like it too, but definitely more Kendra's thing. But no, it's really cool. Like this is kind of more general art, whereas the other area that we just saw was
Dedicated
Really
to AC/DC.
which is the house band of Australia.
And
if you
is
didn't know.
commonly referred to as,
Akadaka. So
it's just easier to say when
Yeah.
you're talking about a band. Oh, for sure.
what's up?
Instagram paradise.
Hells yeah.
Oh, he's way cute. Is he a llama, or I think he is.
Is it a llama or a really skinny cat?
Or a rabbit. I think it's a llama. Or is it a kangaroo?
posters are painted. The art was just so vibrant and, what was the other word? Remarkable.
Remarkable.
It was so remarkable.
Don't forget wonderful and splendid.
And incredible.
And all of the things.
It really is cool,
what
though.
they said.
Definitely check this place out. We believe the best way to end a day in any new city is going to the most unique restaurant we can possibly find. And it was no different with Melbourne. We found ourselves here at State of Grace. It's got a full-fledged restaurant and rooftop bar, but this place packs its biggest punch with the secret it's hiding below.
Less is delightful.
Kendra drinking whiskey again. My favorite.
Yeah, your turn.
Good morning. So this is Lisha's house.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain.
And her beautiful view.
Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Hello, puppet.
Restoring everything within.
Australia, you crafty minx.
Dreamy, breezy, we go.
So we came to...
The Koala
Okay.
Conservation. Oh, you mean Phillip Island?
Phillip
Yeah, we
Island.
came to Phillip Island.
And then we headed to the Koala Conservation Center.
Yes.
Hey, wildlife.
About time.
So happy. Look, wallabies. Or, as we call them, wobblies.
Wobblies.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I love it that there's hardly anyone here.
It's so nice. Anyway, we're at the Koala Conservation Center, and we just saw koalas, and we're gonna show them to you
Yeah.
on the
And
vlog.
wallabies.
They're
Or
beauties.
wobblies.
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 Wobblies. And we learned, how do we find koalas? At least
Look
here.
for the poop. And then look up. They're usually in the trees.
Don't get weed on.
Yeah. Apparently it's not a pleasant experience.
But if you are to get weed on or pooped on, koala is the animal of choice because it smells like eucalyptus.
Very strong
So-
eucalyptus, but eucalyptus.
Yeah. So anyway,
They're beauties.
pretty cool stuff.
There you go.
We'll see you later.
Now we're going to the penguin parade.
Yeah.
Hell yes. The Penguin Parade is a nightly event held on Phillip Island at sunset. After purchasing our tickets at $30 apiece, we made our way to the tiered stands and waited for the world's largest colony of little penguins to arrive on shore. We watched in delight as these penguins found the gumption to cross the beach to the safety of their burrows and settle in for the night. A huge shout out to Lisha for being our most triumphant host. We have been tickled pink to spend this time with you. Where they increase... I read something on the sign back there and I was going to try and say it. Lisha's face. Sorry, I didn't mean just poke you in the head.
That's all right. I need a good slap in the head from
really
time
suck
to
at
time.
vlogging. And thank you all for watching part 1 of our time in Australia. We hope you'll stick around for part 2.